Welcome to Decoded. Here's a weird one. Did you know that NaN is technically a number in JavaScript? NaN stands for not a number, but in JavaScript, it's actually considered a type of number. NaN is returned when a mathematical operation fails. One of the quirks of NaN is that it is not equal to itself. The usual way to check if a value is NaN is by using number is NaN, and not by using equal equal equal. NaN is a result of operations that don't make sense in math, like dividing by zero or parsing invalid numbers. It's important to handle not a number in calculations to avoid unexpected results. So remember, NaN is a number, but it behaves oddly. Always check for it properly. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more JavaScript facts.